Hi guys, it's BH's Lauren here, and today I'm going to be trying out for you the new L'Oreal Magic Retouch. So I just came back from traveling and I haven't had time to get my hair done yet, and as you guys can see, my roots are dire. When my hair starts to get like this, my highlights look really streaky and it's just not a cute look, so I thought this was the perfect time to try this product. So I have actually never tried it before. This is gonna be the first time that I try it for you guys. I'm gonna be using the medium to dark blonde, but they do have one if you are a light blonde as well. So the first thing it says to do is to shake well before use. Second is keep the product upright and apply on dry, clean hair. Perfect, my hair is dry and clean. And then hold approximately 13 centimeters away from your head. I am not great with math. Let's see if I do this right. And it says to make sure that you spray the roots and you don't use too much. So just a little bit goes a long way with this. All right, let's try. All right, do I have a magic root retouch in 3 seconds? I actually think I do. This actually looks a lot lighter. My highlights feel and look a lot more blended. I'm kind of into this, okay. You only need to spray this for 3 seconds. Like I said, a little goes a long way. You don't want to overdo it. And again, this is a product for blondes. So this is not for covering grays. This is for covering dark roots for blonde hair. All right, guys, let's see if this holds up while I go about my day. I'm gonna head into work. I'm gonna be going to the gym and I'm gonna be checking in with you guys throughout. All right, guys, so it's midday and so far it's holding up really well. It doesn't feel like there's anything in it, like it's not gritty. I can't feel really any residue. It's still really soft. I can move my hair really well. I am home from work. It's been a long day and I am ready to get in the shower. So the product says that it lasts until your next shampoo, but I'm actually gonna be washing my hair tonight because I went to the gym at lunch, I didn't get a chance to shower, and I just wanna feel like completely refreshed from head to toe. So I'm gonna jump in the shower now, wash my hair, and I'm gonna let you guys know how my hair feels, if all the product comes out, and all of that after my shower. So it seems to be out. It doesn't feel like there's anything left in it. They say it comes out with one shampoo, but let's blow dry my hair and see. All right, so my hair is all blow dried and I think it looks and feels like it all came out. Like my roots don't feel like crunchy or like there's any residue left in them. I can easily run my fingers through it. Well, I think it's safe to say that I am newly obsessed with the L'Oreal Magic Retouch. Thank you so much for following along with me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.